Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm in process of removing that rear bumper cover on this 2005 Toyota Sequoia, and I would like to share with you the crucial step which you need to know what to do when you are removing that cover. I already removed all those obvious bolts, right, which are holding it all over here. That's no reason to bother you with those. There were underneath here also bunch of them, so that's all done. But that bumper cover cannot still be removed. These popped already, right? You see that there are two of them, but the cover is still stuck right here in this area, and there is a hidden screw which goes from underneath, right, and holds it to the body. The problem is all this plastic stuff is in its way and it's extremely hard to get to it. There were two bolts here, right? Everything's removed. That's not a problem. There's no way for me to put this camcorder in that small area and film it for you. So I will remove it and then I will show you where it was and how I got to it. And this is why it's hard to get to it. It's behind this plastic, another shield, right? Which is in the way. It was this way, and as you can see, it was holding this end of this bumper cover. So once again, when you put it back, right, this is how it was closed after removing that. And again, it was 10 millimeter, right, little self-tapping screw. It was right here holding this bumper cover. So I will go on the other side to remove that and pull the bumper cover off. You will see the details. Now that's another detail here. This is basically push on, two of them. Here you can see what is the location. In the case you are doing the same thing like I do right now. And that really should have been the last problem I had on that entire assembly. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Absolutely easy. And now you will see why I went through all this trouble. Right? There was a weird bump below when you close the hatch, right? There was a weird bump in this plastic. This was kind of coming up. Well, no wonder. Look at that entire back. This poor thing got smashed, apparently big time from the back, right? See, basically both sides, right? This is absolutely unbelievable how it's twisted. Look here how it's pushed up. This is unreal. So basically that was, right, the reason. Look how damaged it is. That will be a lot of extra work for me to straighten it, but I'm glad I did it. This truck definitely deserves to be fixed and kept in the good shape. So here you can see the detail of those mounts, right, which come on top of that. They pop. This one is missing. On contrary, again on the other side, this is how it's supposed to look, right? These two balls, and they pop in these two holders on the side. So I'm trying to show you, right, the detail of that entire area in the case you will be performing this job by yourself. And here you can finally see me proudly posing with the trophy, right? Obviously, a lot of cleaning needs to happen before I will put it back. It's full of dirt and dust and all kinds of stuff. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful to someone, and be subscribed. I have a lot of Toyota tech coming your way soon. See you later.